Hello, my name is Amanda, hairstylist and part of the research and development team here at Oneka Elements. Today I'm going to introduce you to and show you how to use our brand new botanical hair treatment made from our own organic, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar that has been macerated with lemon balm, lavender, and red raspberry leaves handpicked on our family farm here in Frelishburg, Quebec. Each of these plants is full of properties that support healthy, radiant hair and scalp. This is a great hair product for all hair types and all ages. It conditions the hair, fortifies the hair cuticle, reduces frizz, and soothes the scalp. To begin with, you measure out 2 to 6 tablespoons of the hair treatment depending on your hair type. Add the concentrate to the applicator bottle, fill the rest of the bottle with water, attach the sprayer, and shake well. On my hair, for example, I would use 6 tablespoons. It's long and thick and needs some extra love on the ends after being out in the sun all summer. For kids, we recommend a very mild dilution at 1 to 2 tablespoons. We invite you to find the dilution that works best for your hair type. We do recommend that you clean your applicator bottle out with hot water before each new mixture. My hair is freshly shampooed and lightly conditioned. I'm going to start by spraying it into my roots and onto my scalp. My scalp can tend to get dry and itchy, so I love to apply a good amount to cleanse, soothe, as well as rebalance the pH. It is not necessary to rinse the treatment out, and any of the residual apple cider vinegar smell will be gone within a few minutes. But as you will notice when using it, it has a beautifully harmonized smell from the plants that have been carefully alchemized with the vinegar. It can also be used to refresh the hair in between shampoos. A few sprays can help to add some smoothness and shine. That's it. Gives you beautiful, healthy hair naturally.